The Spida Sprint M600 is a compact, high-performing saw built for accurate cutting of components used in wall frame assembly. Designed as a smaller alternative to larger linear saws while still delivering precision, flexibility, and efficiency. The Sprint M600 reads job files and positions each piece automatically. No guesswork, no wasted time. Its intelligent automation means every cut lands exactly where it should, optimizing material use, reducing offcuts, and helping you get the most out of every length. And with the ability to complete both straight and angle cuts, you get the full flexibility without sacrificing accuracy. The M600 also allows double stacking and triple stacking of members for cutting, giving you serious efficiency gains without slowing down production. From large beams to angle plates and lintels, the M600 handles the full range of framing members with ease, cutting accurately and consistently, job after job. Every member can be clearly marked and labelled, fully configurable to your factory setup. You'll know exactly where every piece belongs the moment it leaves the saw. Safety is built in, dual interlocks, two-hand no tie-down operation, lift-up guard, and the in-feed tunnel keep operators protected while maintaining smooth workflow. Owning a Sprint M600 creates real efficiency across your factory. By shifting plate cutting to the M600, your larger saws can focus on volume, boosting overall output. Accurate, capable, and reliable, the Spida Sprint M600 delivers serious performance in a compact design.